Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Northeast Food Show Arhajar Arpuar kabalalong Hamadan Pulo Shillong hene kasngi ka Henriu Tarek kalapan isu show egi bam kisa bat ki jingdi. Hakani kasngi unongsan hima ulayo banya kren bat ki brio ki bayadei bat ka jingpen mi iki umso wain bat ki umso. Hakati ka jingya kren na kalyang Sarvesh Kumar RS ubadeiru General Manager jong ka Karnataka Grape and Wine Board ulaong ba ka Wines of Karnataka kadaitang ka wine ki Wine Board balakan tiyo da ka sarkar pedeng bat ka don hadu khat khandai tili ki jaka penmi ki wine bat hispa lak litar ka wine. Ulaong ru ba ka jing thmu jong ka jingwan ra kini ki wine ban pen I haran san ha ka Northeast Food Show Arhajar Arpuar kalong ban kintiyo ya ka kerteng jong ka Wines of Karnataka tang ha ka jilla jong ka Meghalaya bat kumjuru ha ki jilla ka than chatay lami ngi. Show ru na kalyang unong mi khamat ka Mizo Brewery ulay tho baki umso bala ay kerteng ka local lapen mi bat shna de ki nongshong shnong jong ka jilla Mizoram. Ula ongru baya kini ki jingdi lashna klem da ay ginu ki dawai ban pensa lane ban penne. Ula batay ru bakini ki umso jingdi kidi ki batay ya ka met ka phat klem debu kanu ka jingma ha ka met ka phat jong ubriyo.
Plays a major role. See, in wine industry, people will get see, wine will not from the winery. It is from the farm. It's from the vineyards. 80%, 90% of the quality it's come from the vineyards, and only 10% is the winemaker. So we are blessed with such a climate in Karnataka. It's like warm days and cool nights. That is required for the food to be the best exclusive quality of the wines. See, Karnataka is second to Maharashtra. Maharashtra is the major producer of wines in India. Karnataka is the second wines. And we also like produce good quality wines on par with the international standards. When some wines are selling in France, like Japan, and New York, this wine is selling in Bangalore and New York. None of these are our wines are selling in other countries also. Sarvesh Kumar, General Manager, Karnataka. Thank you.